This is the this is the first time I'm wearing something for Halloween. What am I? How does it look?
A beautiful unicorn.
I'm not happy, I think.
That's right, you're definitely not happy.
Oh my god!
You don't tell anyone about this, especially ESSENAMS! How seriously can you take me like this? Let's talk business. To all the men out there who may or may not want to wear bunny ears like an absolute boss, I just want to let you know, it's cool. You're okay. Anybody can do whatever they want to do. So if you want to wear bunny ears while you're cooking dinner for the love of your life and your special treasure, your little daughter, go for it. This has been a public service announcement from Daddy Daughter Broadcasting.
Awkward.
This has been a public service announcement from Daddy Daughter Broadcasting. Please go to Daddy Daughter Broadcasting on YouTube and subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so that you can get all the notifications about our future videos and live streams ad infinitum.